That is a very interesting sunbow. Maybe it means rain is in the horizon. We shall see.
It's a clear morning. Just a few clouds in the distance to the north. Nothing more.
These are some fair weather clouds now, moving from southwest to the northeast. It's starting to get a little breezy. The storm must be approaching. It is pretty warm now, but you can finally see some low clouds racing from south to north, or top to bottom on your screen. Now it's gotten overcast. It's still breezy, and there is a mix of high and low clouds. It's a nice day thus far, with increasing cloud coverage. It's much cloudier to the north. That is the direction that the storm is coming from the west. It's still reasonably clear behind me. It is exactly 5 o'clock, and I'm looking right now to the west and northwest. It is 5:18 as I look towards the northwest. There are some wavy cloud formations in the sky. As I look towards the southeast right now, I still see some blue patches. It is about 74 degrees, and it's perfect for an evening walk. That's behind me, looking towards the north. It is 6:20 p.m. It is overcast and breezy as I look towards the west. It is 6:45 p.m. and quite breezy now. Completely overcast towards the west, as you can see. I'm trying to beat the rain. 7:05, I felt a couple of drops, and I'm trying to hurry home so I don't get caught in the rain. Made it home back in time. It's very windy. And of course, dark clouds hover overhead. Okay, so the first raindrops are starting to fall now. It's just a drizzle. The wind is blowing ferociously. You can hear the wind rumbling outside, and I just showed you a couple of drops falling on the pavement. You can see the frontal boundary here to the west of me in the radar map, but no significant precipitation just yet. Now the rain's starting to get just a little heavier. You can see the drops falling on my driveway. And the wind is continuing to blow in full force. It is raining. You know what it means. You know the drill by now. Umbrella, walk. You can see the rain coming down. Yep, it's raining, and I'm doing my walk. You can see the rain falling down. The place is wet by now. It's a pretty barren and deserted scene right now, with light rain falling. Sidewalks and the street wet. Walking is getting to be a little tricky, so I gotta be a little careful. The temperature has come down significantly. It was 70 when I started. Now, let's see how much it is. It is 56. Yep. And with the wind blowing, it feels much colder. You can see the rain continuing to fall, blowing sideways. The wind is just ferocious right now. I am seated at my comfort zone underneath the umbrella on a picnic table, and I'm covering the rain for y'all. Nobody wanting to play today, they've kept the lights off, so it's kind of hard to see the rain, but you get the idea. The rate of rainfall is just enough to keep the ground wet, but you can see the higher elevations of the ground kind of drying just enough for new drops to show up. Rain still falling at a steady pace with the wind blowing. The rain just picked up a bit in intensity. Now it's very windy and the rain is coming pretty hard. It's 55 degrees, which makes it very cold. It's very hard to hold my umbrella. Yes, I'm still having fun in the rain, but it's very, very tough for me to hold the umbrella, so I'm going to head back home for a bit. Hopefully the wind subsides in a little bit. The steady downpour continues as I make my way back home. What makes this storm different is that it's very, very windy. I know it's hard for you to see in the screen, but I'm having a hard time holding the umbrella. You can see the water flowing in the streets pretty vigorously right now. There's water all over the place. You can see the pace of the rainfall using the surface of the swimming pool as a visual indicator. Looking towards the west and northwest, completely overcast. The wind has died down just a little bit. And this is what it looks like. This is the map over the past hour. Nothing fancy, just some steady rain.
A rainy start to February. We are in weather action mode tonight as a winter storm moves into Arizona. And Tempe getting in on the action as well. High winds and rain near Guadalupe and Kyrene.
Still raining steadily. Just a consistent rain. Cold rain. The steady rain is still continuing. Cold, steady rain. Still a little breezy, but nothing like what it was earlier in the evening. The situation is basically unchanged. Constant rain. The wind has completely died down now, and it's just rain now. Looking to the west. And towards the southeast. Status quo. Now you get a good idea of the rainfall. With the car, the puddle. It's 1:15 a.m. and the rain got heavy again. Heavy drizzle. It's 1:37 a.m. and the breeze picked up just a little bit, as did the rain. You can hear the rain loud and clear. The water just keeps flowing on and on and on. It's a very steady and constant downpour. Using the pool as a calibration tool again. Look at those northern skies, completely lit up. Back after the walk, looking towards the north, and the rain is still falling. This is the radar over the past hour. And after some overnight rain, the storm has passed, and it's a partly cloudy morning with no wind, but it's much colder. That's the view to the west on this morning, post-storm. These are the rainfall totals of the Phoenix area, courtesy of Maricopa County Flood Control. It's a much better evening today for a walk. Much colder, but much clearer and much more dry. Puddles like these are all that's left of the rain from yesterday. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, and would like to see more like these, then please feel free to navigate to my page, find the subscribe button in the top right corner, and click on it. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you soon.